everybody, welcome back to another video on this channel. And today we are playing Terraria. Guys, you don't know how many times I have done this freaking intro. So many freaking times. Alright, but yeah. Anyways, I have found myself a editing program. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to start a expert world. I have been playing since the start pretty much. The first world was created in August 2017. Yeah, this is my character right here. And this is my world, expert. So yeah, you can see here, Victor's world started, created 18th October 2017. I will not go inside there yet in that world. So yeah. Okay, here we are in the expert world, where everything wants to kill me, pretty much. Slow on, come on. Oh. Okay, so this is expert world. This is an expert world. Okay, so how much damage does a slime do now? 14? Oh my god, in the regular mode it does like 6. And they have 50 health now. They had like 25 last time. So they do pretty much both the damage, but we do a little bit more too. Okay, we will cut down a little bit of those trees. Can you get away, please? Oh, this does crazy damage. It's not really bad too. Wait, this does 4. This does 5. And it's fast. Why do I damage this dude? Okay, I can get away from the big Papa slime. Boop. Boop. Ow. 21 damage. I'm nearly dead. Eat a mushroom. 10 damage. Oh, crit. I hope this is going to be a good series. Oh, I nearly got killed. And there. Okay, can I please respawn? Thank you. Okay, so we have 226. So we need to mark exactly where we, spawned. We got enough. Oh no, the lag is coming back. The lag is my nemesis, because all the videos that I have recorded from this game have been unsuccessful, and the lag, oh my god, the lag though. Like, the internet is terrible. Oh, that slime has gold piece inside of him. We will have that, because I really want gold. I love gold. No! Freaking psychopath. And there he goes, with my freaking silver inside of him. I hope we can find him again, because I really want that gold piece. I hope we can find him, because he's pretty low, and Okay. Please be there. Please. Don't you dare escape. Ow. Look at the lag though. Freaking lag. I hate. No. He just ran away with all my gold inside of him. Okay, we got a cave. That's the only good thing. That's the only good thing. It better be something good inside here. Better be. Ow. Like knives. They are OP. Yes! Knives. And some gold. This, and silver. And torch. Yay. So now we shift, and we got this. Okay, we can take this. Oh, we got 3 chests. Yes! A spear! Thank goodness. What? Excuse my freaking girly voice, but What in the freaking... No, don't you dare take my gold. Oh, don't you dare take my gold. Oh my god, look at overpowered this is. Oh my god. We got 5 gold coins, everybody. That's my grandpa voice because I have beard. I mean, that doesn't mean that I have to be a grandpa, but I like to just... This should be my weapon because it's way better than this. Look how overpowered this is. This is the perfect thing. Yes, radar. What does this... The text... Yes! And we got her bag. Okay, okay, okay. And we will also break this thing. Oh no, they are going around me. Oh no, I'm not looking at the screen. I was not looking at the screen, so I was... Oh my god, let's go. This is so fun. Okay, do we have more? Oh, that's a shame. We got a demonic spear. It's amazing. So yeah. Oh, slow copper axe. Oh, we got even more here. I just want to make this like flow. No, let's not do that right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, yes, 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 yes. Okay, nice. 3 enemies nearby. Thank you, radar. Okay, we got a lot of lead. That's good. And then we can open this. Okay, we need to build a house fast. So we can just use this. Okay, we respawned here. So let's just place a little hole. Yay. Okay, so now we know where we respawned. We will make a little thick house. So let's just clear out this area. I will see you when I have cleared out the area. See you then. Oh! Oh! Oh, guys! I may have just found the most rare thing in the game. Holy crap! I just got that. Did you literally all see that? I just killed a slime. Okay, I may not cut this scene where I say that. But oh my god, I got a slime staff! Oh, hell yeah, dude! So cute, look at him! Oh my god, look at him! He's so cool! Look how powerful he is! Oh my god! Look, I'm already crying! I want to do like a video of me introducing myself to everyone, because I think that you don't really know about me now is that I am an emotional guy. Okay, I am an emotional guy. Yeah, it's pretty hard being emotional because I can't control it really well. Emotional people understand. I mean, other people probably understand too, right? But oh my god, this is way too thick. Okay, so let's just place a workbench, and we will just divide this so we can cover this. We can't really cover that up because this is going to go right here. And where is the table gonna be if I already respawn there? Oh my god, there's so much thinking about just respawning, you know? Because if you respawn there, you will actually just destroy the whole thing, which is pretty stupid. So yeah, but I hope it's going to be fixed, even though... Guys, I am just going to build the house now, and I will see you when it's done. I will see you then. Oh yeah, we've just finished the whole first apartment thing. And I see this zombie with a hand. And I'm thinking to myself, I really want that hand, so let's just kill these zombies. Oh my god, look at this, my slime. It's so powerful. It's actually really powerful. Okay, so we didn't get a hand, but that's good. We just gotta kill those zombies right here. Oh, the slime is having trouble. Oh, we can fly. That's great. We're double teaming the zombies. Okay, so I got a wooden arrow. Okay, so the guide, I'm guessing, probably. Yeah, you can be here. What if I turn off the light? Oh, that's terrible. So the light needs to be on. Yeah, this isn't gonna really work out. So yeah, we will need to place this really close to the door. That sucks a little bit. I mean, it's not that bad. We fixed it. No, I didn't mean to do that too. Look at my freaking slime making you all pay. Okay, we got this taken care of. So can you live here now? Yeah, you can. So you can just live here. I don't really care. So we got the first 2 houses ready. Let's continue on building. No. We will not continue on building those houses. Okay, guys, I will see you when it's daytime, because then we are going to build a house. I will see you then. That's okay, right? So yeah, I've just finished these houses, and I have over 50 silver. That means we can get the merchant. We got this deathweed seeds, which are pretty weird. Wait, I really want to get the umbrella, because yeah, we can use that to pull slowly, and that's pretty useful. So yeah, we gotta just do it. Come on, slime, you can do it. Okay, slime. Oh! Wait, have we been? No, we haven't been here. That's sick. Is that good? Yeah, that's good. I think it's just junk right here. I don't really think we can get something that good. Yeah, you see, we just got a little bit of coins and some trashy potions. And a little bit of ammo, so I guess we could use that. Ropes, I mean, we can use ropes. Just because I have 50 coins, kill it. Ow. It does so much damage now. And we have gotten a rare thing in the game. That's pretty sick. I mean, we get better loot because it's expert mode, but you know. Something. Okay, we can now go to this dude. Can I open the door? Thank you. What were we here for? Oh, this has got no value. That sucks. 1 silver. Yeah, they bought it. This is a little bit worth. I want to buy this, thank you. Iron anvil. I mean, we got this, right? So I don't really think we can use this. I mean, we can buy, and we can buy a sword. So yeah. Okay, let's go back. So what else can we do here? Oh, we need a bomb. That's right, we need a bomb. I guess we can plant some seeds in our backyard. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, it can be placed. Yeah, I bet it can. Can it just be placed on like regular dirt? Like if I place some dirt here. Okay. Yeah, so where is a cave? We need to go in a cave. There ain't no cave here, so we need to either make a bigger house, which is a pretty good thing to do, but I don't really want to do that. Let's explore a little bit more without needing to do that, so yeah. fight him, Slimy. Are we at the... No, it's impossible that we're at the end of the map, because it's just impossible. Maybe Slime, can you... Ow! Can you attack him? Thank you. Umbrella, please. Ah, no luck this time, boys. Okay, we will place... We don't have a lot of materials here. We don't need a lot of materials. Another tree? Oh! Make a little hole right here so that the water escapes a little further into there. Boom. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's continue. Swiftness. Yeah, we can use that. Oh no, these are deadly here. Escape. Boom. Oh my god, the lag is real. Silver, I guess. Yes! Okay, now the bomb dude will show up, I think. We can make a gold coin. Yeah! How useful. We got one more recall. We don't need this. Okay. 2 enemies nearby. Yeah, I saw that. Thanks. Okay. Okay, we got a cave. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. So we can make a lot. And I saw a lot of torches. Now we just need wood, because that's the only thing that we're missing out on. Wood. So I will just cut these trees down, and I will see you then. Goodbye. So I have cut down these trees, and oh my god, we got a stack of torches. Yes. Okay, let's continue. I don't really want to show you guys everything when I cut down those trees, because it's gonna be a little bit annoying, probably. So I don't want to... Oh my god, the lag. Stop lagging, it should be good internet now. Okay. Desert cave. Yes, you see? Mortal. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Let's jump up. Oh no. What are you doing? That was super creepy. Did you see that? What was that? What good loot will we get? Oh, we got another one. We got the exact same one. That's pretty sweet. I mean, we can sell one. They are exactly the same. That's really cool. That's actually pretty cool. My dad was fish. So let's just do this. Boom. Okay, so the demolitionist is here. So you saw those herb bags that I had? Yeah, I opened those up and I got all those kinds of flowers. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you enjoyed it, definitely leave a like. This was the first, I hope, successful video. See you next time.